lifetime, no? Hindi siya ideal to spend na, especially if you have a family, no? Kasi I tried to bring her there once, and the problem is naiiwan ko rin siya kasi kami man naman, madalas kaming dinideploy kung saan kami required kung pumunta, no? Mapunta akong Yemen, Libya, Africa, yun ang tatlong inikot-ikutan namin, no? So, how I get into it, it was first my mother-in-law. She's a businesswoman actually, no? She's an owner of few stalls of RPWs, no? SM, yan. So, she met Riwe through a friend, no? And then, ang nakita na mother-in-law ko dito is the passive income. Kasi, as a businesswoman kasi, never siya naging employed, no? Kasi nag-aalaga siya ng mga anak. Turn out naman na maganda. Kasi dalawa naging doktor, isa accountant, isang engineer. So, pag nakikita namin, no, na at her age, no, at 69 when she met Freeway, no, talaga nakita niya, pwede akong magka-passive income dito through the Freeway system, no. So, nakita niya na sa tingin niya, madali niya itong i-push sa mga anak niyang doktor, no? Kasi sabi niya, i-reseta mo lang yan, no? Kaya ang parati niyang tinotoxic noon is my wife. Kasi the other one, sobrang busy yun eh, no? Infectious specialist. So, yung wife ko naman, para tumigil yung mother-in-law ko, bumili siya at ipinangalan sa akin, no? At that time, wala akong idea na kung anong para saan, no? So, 2018, I finally decided na it's time for me to go, no? For good, to stay home. Kasi, lumalaki na yung anak namin, and then, parang na rin po akong nararamdaman at that time. I have problem with my back, no? Back, my knee. Yung back ko parating chronic spasm, no? Yung tuhod ko, hindi ko na maitupi, may punit. They want to have surgery, but I refuse, no? Kasi alam mo naman sa Middle East, no? Wala kang confidence sa trabaho nila, no? So, going home here in the Philippines, I've tried several businesses, no? Food and beverages, logistics, no? So, napakamadugo, no? Especially ang logistics. May business people ba dito? Logistics, no? So, alam natin, no? Mga LTO, LTFRB, meron pa kang problema sa labor, no? So, those are the operations. So, dito ko nakita sa Riwe, no? At first, sisitan kami mag-supplement ng wife ko kasi you're not believers of supplements, no? Hindi nga kami, para sa amin, no? Enough na yung nakukuha mong nutrients sa pagkain, no? Pero kasi, meron na akong fourth year. So, we were not informed kung anong magiging benefit, no? Basta ang sabi maganda. And since nasa amin na yung product, no? So sige, it took us 6 months before namin ininom. No? Sabi, inumin lang natin kasi initially, we planned to sell. Hinta natin to, siguro. Kaso hindi namin alam kung sino bibintahan namin. No? Hindi namin, kasi you haven't tried something, you cannot recommend, no? So sige, inumin na lang natin. So, I felt the effect in just 2 weeks, no? Same with my wife, no? Nung ako inom, I felt lighter, no? At that time kasi, way back 2019, there are areas in Davao, mga hinterlands doon, maraming NBA, kinalsadahan ng Digong yun, no? Ni Presidente Duterte. So nung kinalsadahan, ang daming nagpintahan. ng lupa, napakamura. I bought 2 hectares at 60,000 pesos. No? Ganun kamura, no? So, doon ko na-discover na umepekto sa akin ng fourth year kasi ang pagpaplat ng ano mo doon, territory mo, yung nakuha mong lupa, is through GPS, no? Mamarkahan lang, lakad ka, 2,000 meters square, na may rally point, isi-save mo, yun ang sasubmit mo doon as yung proof na ito yung area para sa iyo, no? So, yung area na yun, slope siya, pero kasi, ang ganda kasi may tubig sa lugar, no? So I was expecting na kinagabihan yun, sasakit yung tuhod ko, kasi usually ganun nangyari sa akin. So I was surprised na hindi sumakit. So that's the time na sabi ko, parang kaya ko itong squat, no? Kasi before hindi ko may squat, no? So yun. Then naikwento ko sa wife ko, she also claimed na hindi na siya nag-allergic rhinitis, hindi siya hinihika, no? She's full of energy, kaya makapagtrabaho the whole day, restful ang sleep, no? So doon namin na-realize na maganda ang produkto, no? So, a good product comes with a good opportunity, no? Sabi ko kasi, dalawa kaming iinom, so 3 months lang sa amin yung 171 at that time is 135,000 pa lang eh, no? Ang turo sa amin ng kaibigan ng mami ko is just to share it to other people. If you share it to other people, you will earn points, and these points can be used to purchase your next therapy. So ginawa ko, umuwi ako sa amin sa probinsya Iligan, no? Doon ako nag-share sa mga kamag-anak, no? Meron akong pinsan na may GERD, no? Marami na rin siyang doktor na puntahan. Tapos, meron akong client na isang politician na diabetic foot naman. Pag nagchinela siya at nagkaskas yung rubber sa skin, it will form a blister. Pag pumutok, tuloy-tuloy na yun, no? So, dahil sa disparate yung tao, sinabi ko, maganda to, stem cell. So, hindi ka pa tapos bibili na siya, no? Mag-discuss. Sa kanya din, in just 2 weeks, was able to wear shoes na, no? Imagine for the past 1 year, more than 1 year. Hindi siya nakapagsapatos kasi nga po, babasa-basa yung mga sugat niya. So, that's how we started. And then, sabi namin, share it to 8 people. Nag-ROI kami ng wife ko. So, we have to buy another set na to complete our therapy. So, in just a week, it's just a matter of week, no? So, but that time, nag-idea namin, we will share it more on sick people, no? Sino yung mga terminal cases, yan, inumin mo, no? So, yung aming tree dito sa account, parang siyang sementeryo, no? Ang daming patay. But, even if those people did not make it, no? Kasi, siyempre, the terminal ill, the family is still thankful, no? Pasalamat pa sila na namin nilang fourth year kasi yung death, hindi siya ganun ka-agonizing, no? Especially cancer people, no? I have one cancer patient na talagang pag hindi siya nakakatulog sa pain, buong sa bahay, hindi siya nakakatulog lahat, no? So, nung nag-fourth year, bumalik yung gana sa pagkain, but unfortunately, yung cancer na has spread, no? Cancer of the, kalimutan ko yun. So yung lymphatics, no? Mabukol-bukol. Napunta na sa atay, napunta na sa baga. Yan. So lymphoma, yes. No? Hodgkin's lymphoma, 29 years old. So kaka-regular lang as teacher, no? But then, they're thankful na, yun nga, she died in her sleep, no? So, the time we have decided na we will go with this business full time is when we have I've seen in my mother-in-law yung income niya, no? Kasi let's be honest, we're not here not just to pass time, no? Na napunta lang dito, no? We also need to earn, no? Kasi alam natin, especially when you are on your 40s, 50s, 60s, no? Kung sa kotse pa, mataas na ang mileage, no? Hindi lang change oil, kailangan na palitan, nagkaroon na kayang pyesa na, kailangan palitan. So, I remember the story no, ng aking lolo. Sabi niya, you know, in life, it's not always, kung hindi tayo pinanganak na mayaman, no, it's not always complete. No? When you are young, you have strength, you have time, but you do not have money. No? But when you start to work na, you have your career, you have now strength, you have money, but you don't have time. Time means, you know, time with the family, no? Sa akin before, I'm an OFW, so selitan ko lang kasama yung family ko, no? My father also is an OFW, no? Seaman. So, pagka tumanda ka naman, no? You are now retired, you have time, you have money, but is yung strength, no? Wala na. Marami ng sakit, high blood, no? Have you met those kind of people?
Yes.
No? Yeah. I have shared to a lot of people, so if only I could travel, no? Because ang case naman niya, diabetic, mayroon siyang psoriasis, mga anak niya sa abroad, busy, hindi makauwi, so siya pupunta. Takot siya mag-travel, baka daw kasi doon sa ambutan sa Orlando, no? He is almost 80. But when he took 4th year, no? Ngayon halos hindi mo na makikita dito sa Pilipinas. Sa Dubai, minsan sa Australia. And he always sends me his picture, no? Sa beach, no? Those are the things na gusto natin ma-enjoy sa ating parents, no? Or tayo mismo sa sarili natin ma-enjoy. So, nung nakita ko yung income ng mother-in-law ko, kasi my mother-in-law is already 78, no? Hindi siya take. So my wife's been taking care of her account, no? Kikita namin doon. Even if she's not here with us, no? She's earning sometimes 200,000 a month, no? So sino ayaw niyan? So that's the time, sabi namin, let's take a look at this business, no? Because una-una, before we want to franchise, no, putting the corner. Problem is, my mother-in-law is always our consultant. Sabi niya, kung mapa-franchise ka, how much will you shell out, no? Ilan ang target ng years to ROI? So, bakit hindi tignan itong railway, no? So, that's the time na we frequent this office, no? Kasi if you want to do something, you have to learn also how to do it properly, no? So, ang kagandahan ng railway, na-realize namin, there's a system, no? And this system has produced a lot of millionaires, no? Sino yung leaders dito na puntang Bangkok last gala dinner, no? Anniversary, no? Few pa lang, no? Doon mo makikita sa stage, no? Around 1,500 Pegasus, no? These are people who achieved the sale of 5 million Singaporean dollar, no? In one quarter, no? Imagine. So, doon kami napaisip ng wife ko, ano? You know, in this industry kasi, I have learned na marami ding maayaw, no? Kasi when people fail in this industry, they always blame the company, no? Sobrang mahal ang product, ang bonuses, no? But here in Railway, what I see is stability in the company. Very stable ang company, constantly growing. when I started in this company, I attended the leadership training seminar. The first time I attended, only 12 translation booths, no? 12 different languages. Chinese translated into Indonesia, Bahasa, in English for the Filipinos, no? And after a year, those 12 become 24. No? Ganun siya kabilis lumaki. Kaya nasaksihan ko ng growth ng company, especially papunta na tayo sa Europe. No? How many countries now in Europe? 3. No? And ang strategy ng company kasi, he started with countries na hindi gaano kahindog pa ang multi-level marketing. No? Pero pinipreserve pa niya ang mga Germany, yan, one of the top countries in Europe for multi-level marketing. And then, of course, US, no? Brazil, and Latin America, no? So doon mo makikita na ang trajectory ng company is going into these big, countries, no? So for us, no, who have decided to follow this country, I think we are blessed, no, because the company is big enough, no. Imagine when you purchase your therapy, your own therapy, you already have an account, no? And this account, you can start a business with this account. And not only a business local, no, but also international. Imagine, no? In fact, we have one here, no, from Sweden, Ma'am Lisa, our downline. No? She's here to learn also. No? So give her a round of applause. No? That's one of the leaders who wants to start in Sweden. No? Imagine, we are here, and yet we have people under us, no? Na nasa ibang bansa. It's like, also you are having your own branch abroad, no? And you don't have to take care of the logistics, no? In doing business, this is a pinaka-high-tech with that, no? So, yung supply chain, no? Paano padala yung produkto, no? Ang nangyari sa amin, we have Ma'am Lisa in Sweden. When she purchased your product, it's coming from the EU na, no? Czech Republic. She just issue letter of authority. This is notarized to the United Parcel, and this UPS will go to the office in Czech and show the letter of authority to claim the product and send it to her to Sweden. No? Di ba napakadali? No? So that's one of the criteria that nakikita namin. I think this company is worth looking at. No? And then of course, now lately, more and more medical doctors are coming, are embracing this, because we found out that during the conventions, stem cell has been mentioned already as a supplement, So imagine, yung mga companies ngayon nagkukumahog pa, gumawa ng sarili ng produkto, but Railway International have its product on its 7th edition, meaning to say we are 7 steps ahead of the competition, no? And not only that, yung platform natin, isa din yan sa what make Railway successful, no? Kasi 60% of the revenue goes back to the distributors like us. No? Napaka-generous ng Railway. No? Nag-provide na siya ng futuristic product. The same time, nag-provide pa siya ng system na may enjoy natin. No? Lahat. No? And this has been an equal opportunity to all of us. No? Kasi ngayon ko lang na-realize din, a Pegasus, when he or she refers someone, she earn 10%. If I refer someone, I also earn 10%. No difference at all. So, nasa ano na lang po, kung sino ang mas masipag in this industry. You know? So, ngayon, balak namin 2026 because 2025, we came up short to our target na mag-rank up. I hope this 2026 we can invite more people to join and take a look at the company. You know? Kasi Riway has been making big steps. No? Makikita mo pa lang during pandemic how many offices, how many countries they have opened. No? And now they're starting to open up Europe. No? Napakabilis sa Europe. No? So if you know someone in Europe, no? An opportunity is at its best if only few people palang nakakaalam. No? Because I believe, no, when we have our gala dinner, I could not imagine, no, company has provided dinner for 30,000 people. No? Ganun siya kalaki. Our table located at the center of the middle, no? So you have to walk, no? Makikita mo bawat mesa 4023 yung table ko. So imagine 4023 in one table, 10 people occupying one table. So I hope for those who are new, try to take a look at this company. Kasi dito po makukumpleto natin yung strength, time with the family, and of course, financial freedom, makikita niyo po dito sa Riway. No? So, I think that's the end of my sharing, and I hope I can inspire some of you.